How to send money from Wise to Gcash. Need to send money straight into a Gcash wallet? Wise makes it fast, secure, and simple. Let's walk you through the process step by step. So, start by opening the Wise app or website, and then from here, log into your account and then tap on the send button. So, once you click on this will take you into this section. So, into this section, go ahead and click on this add button, and that will take you into a new page. So from here, go ahead and select the currency that you want to send to that individual. Make sure that the currency is available for Gcash as well. After that, you'd be taken here. So simply select e-wallet from here and then select someone else or business or charity. But if you want to send this to someone else, simply select someone else. And then go ahead and enter their email into the section. Enter their full name into the section. Select the wallet provider. So simply select Gcash and then enter their e-wallet number and then enter their city home address. Make sure that every information you've entered in here is correct and the number is registered with Gcash to avoid delays. Pick how you want to pay, bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Wise will show the fee and estimated delivery time before you confirm. Review all details carefully, tap confirm transfer, and Wise will notify you once the money is delivered to the Gcash wallet, often within minutes. And that is how to send money from Wise to Gcash.